Hi, my name's Phil McNamara and my company's Maverick Concepts. Really excited to be here at SGIA 2018 with Multicam. At Maverick Concepts, today we serve really two types of industries. On the retail side, we work with national retailers on national campaigns, window props, a wide variety of different products. And then we also service the architectural and design space. Those products include acoustic panels, ceiling structures, MDF wall panels, and so forth. At Maverick Concepts, we cut a wide variety of materials. They range from acrylics, PETGs, foam boards, MDF, all the way to acoustic panels. So when we started the process to look for additional CNC equipment for our company, we were looking for a wide variety of things. Most importantly, it's the speed, the field upgradable options, and really the technology that drives the machine. Also just the versatility of the easy to be able to change different materials quickly. As we started the process to look for a new digital equipment, we explored several different companies. Many are here at the show. We ultimately went with the Celero for the speed and versatility and the different options that we can get with the machine. In my opinion, what sets Multicam apart from the competition is really all the technologies that they have under one roof. Several just have a CNC or several just do laser. What's unique about Multicam is they have everything under one roof, and they're able to balance all those technologies. The experience working with Multicam has been really great. Not only on the sales side, but really on the application side, truly working with the engineers on the front end to truly understand the machine. One of the main reasons that we went with the Celero platform is we believe it's going to truly allow us to grow as a company. Our customers tend to push us on the innovation side, and the Celero is going to allow us to not only keep up with that demand, but to truly grow our business.
Hi, my name is David Morse. I'm the Chairman CEO of Multicam Holdings. Glad to be with you today here at SGIA. We believe 13,000 machines installed globally really sets us apart, and with 60 technology centers around the world, we're very eager to take the next phase of growth to Multicam. Well, since we own the Motion platform, we're able to design machines to really meet the needs of the applications and industries that we serve. So especially with Celero, with the Linear Motion platform, we've been able to achieve speeds that are kind of unparalleled in the industry. And we think with that design, our Motion platform, we can really provide a top-notch product in this industry. Well, some new processes that we have, obviously the Linear Motion, which has allowed us to achieve traverse speeds of up to 11,000 inches per minute, cutting speeds of 7,200, 7,500 inches per minute. We have automatic knife changing capability, tool changing capability on the fly, vacuum hold down that allows us to hold down the material at speed so that you can use drag knife technology versus just oscillating knife on your cutting applications. And as always, we have our strong steel base to provide the rigidity and stability for the machine for years to come. Well, we think, with Celero, it was a ground-up redesign for the digital finishing space. And with the Linear Motion platform, it's really allowed us to achieve speeds and accelerations that are unparalleled. machine stands apart. One, we start with the industrial base. We have a base design that allows the machine to perform at very high speeds. We've added our linear motion platform. We've added automatic knife changing, tool changing capabilities. And then again, the vacuum hold down is a differentiator in this space because you can hold down your material at speed and use things like drag knife to really perform at extreme levels. Having a partner like Maverick Concepts has really been great for Multicam. Maverick Concepts is a very innovative, cutting-edge company, and for us it's a good challenge for a machine tool manufacturer and software manufacturer and motion manufacturer, because we can really keep our eyes and ears to the market and understand the needs of a customer like Maverick Concepts. So together we can help innovate the machines, the design, and the platforms, not only for today, but for the future as well. Well, as always, go to www.multicam.com or call an office. We've got 60 tech centers around the world, and schedule a demo. Come see it. You really need to see it to believe it.